Javi. Today I'm back with rue21 and I am unboxing their Me fragrances today. And I'm so excited because, you know, winter's coming. I really want a nice, different, fresh scent. So I'm gonna start off with a citrusy, fresh smell. So here we have Fresh, and this is lemon, rose, and green foliage. So look at how cute the box. So all of the boxes have different colors, so you can see. And it has this cute little, ooh la la. So what I love the most is that it has a nice description of what you're getting in the smell. So let's see. Gonna fan a little bit. Yeah. What's also really cool is that you can actually mix and match these scents too. So if you're liking a little bit of citrusy and a little bit of sweet, you can mix it with the other ones as well. Okay, next we're gonna do the citrus. This is infused with melon, rose, and sandalwood. Oh, actually I really like sandalwood. I have a candle that's sandalwood. So again, the color, I think that's super cute and clever. So here it says for cheerfulness and positivity. Also, they all have little descriptions. That's super cute. Okay, cute. Also, I forgot to mention, these are cruelty-free and vegan. So good for the animals. We love the animals here. Can I do a shake? Can I do a shake? Yeah, that smells delightful. Okay, I think this one is probably my favorite so far. It's like light enough, so it's really good for during the day too, which is nice. You can definitely pack it on at night if you're going out or something. Here we have Sweet, for all my sweethearts out there. So this is infused with caramelized sugar, white petals, and vanilla. Ooh, and this one says for love and popularity. Okay. Wow, okay. If you're going on a date, this would be perfect because it's sweet and it's like fun and flirty. I love this. It's so nice. And the final one, this one is Floral for all my plant moms out there like myself. So this is infused with peach, freesia, and sweet musks for happiness and beauty. Oh. This smells amazing. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do something. We're gonna test Floral and the Sweet because the vanilla and the floral are gonna actually smell amazing and I wanna smell like this every day. So hold on. I'm gonna do that. And then this one on the other side. I'm gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. I just made my own fragrance. Hold up. Wait. I just want to say, I smell beautiful. Okay? Just letting you know. So this is amazing because you can create your own fragrance. You're going to be smelling unique. People are going to ask you what you're wearing. You're going to be like, I'm wearing my own. What's awesome is, of course, you can buy them individually. These are $12.99 each for this size especially. And then you can get them as a set as well, which is great for gifts or Secret Santa even. These are limited editions, so make sure you go grab one or two or all of them so you can go home and make your fragrance now. Yay! Have a great day. Bye.